Bart from Goat Bros. Thought I'd take a minute and show you what we've been doing. We had this trailer that I started working on a while back, which used to belong to my father. As he called it, the equipment trailer. But we stretched it and widened it a little bit, and I thought that'd be good enough. The real purpose I was thinking of is for the train. We introduced the train to you so you know that it's big, and it needs a really big trailer to pull it around. But let me show you what we've been doing though. We're building the tongue, a gooseneck tongue, to go on the equipment trailer out there.
Looks like a bumper pull, but it will be a gooseneck at some point. It's got another piece of 10-inch channel.
This was a pull behind trailer. You see here where it hooks up. And what we did is we built this extension for it. See, now the extension bolts onto the frame down here and goes up, goes underneath the ball there. Then it's got the cross members that go over and bolt on. So this whole gooseneck that we just got done creating is able to remove and come off. So you can still use it as a pull behind trailer if you need to. And kind of like normally, as we always end up the last minute getting everything ready. So we're actually getting ready to go today. We're heading out of town. So the maiden voyage for this trailer will be going to Utah. So let's hope that it works. New rubber. Chris is working on the lights right now.
Yes.
Is it possible that we could get both sets of jet skis on there? Now this, the one we've got so it can pull behind here. See, so it'll hook on behind. You think we can put that other one on top? Well, let's go see if we can get the forklift running, and we'll try it.
See how well it works out. Here we go. Figured it was best to move the truck. It will definitely look like grapes are out going down the road, so we're hoping it'll work. We're going to find out here shortly. As long as he's happy. And when birds are happy, you know, that makes the world go round, you know? Having something so well balanced in today's world, you know, just makes things feel so much nicer. We keep him around because he's such a mechanical genius, but such a noisy bird. All right, what do you think?
Yeah, it looks like we got a load. We got the jet skis on and Chris's truck on, and we're getting ready to head out. It only took us all day long to get the rest of the things taken care of, but Chris is working on the final wiring for the rear trailer. But it looks like it's going to work. We'll have to see what Sentimental thinks about it, though. We put a lot of thought into this tongue to make sure that it would clear the rack and work, so we'll find out. Well, away we go. We got enough drinks?
I sure hope so. Hope there's some water in there too somewhere.
Is that for drinking?
Well, after I load, I gotta wash my hands.
Oh, okay.
That way I can enjoy my drink without smelling too much.
I got my Mountain Dew and my mixer in there, so you know.
The mixer is the problem.
Well, you know, anything to keep me awake, because it could be a long night, so. Away we go.
Yes, it could be.
I still can't believe we did this. Yeah. What's for breakfast?
Where do I start? I'm hungry. Yeah. It's been a long night.
You got some biscuits and gravy. Look what I've got here. I got an omelet. I pulled an all-nighter, and here we are.
Yeah, here comes Lee.
Crazy train.
But you got it anyway. Hey, ever tell me about my horse?
Oh my gosh. It is. Look at that thing. It's been getting whipped.
There's the first piece. Yeah, we had to put the smaller tires on so it clear between the fenders. Yeah, that actually worked. Here we are at Lee's garage. Oh, we got to get together. There we go. All right, because this is Chris's truck. As you saw, we hauled it up here because it has some head gasket problems, and he wanted the master's touch on it. So
That's right.
that's why it's here. So, but I have a request from you guys because I think that our viewers would really enjoy seeing what it takes to put head gaskets on this truck. So would you guys mind filming a little bit for us?
Oh yeah, we can do that.
So
do what
there.
we can.
All right, but Lee's still a busy man. We'll show you around just a little bit. He's got a couple new projects he's got here and some other ones he's still working on, but he's the man. This is where we come to get the master's touch.
That's
so,
right,
all right.
that's
So what do we got here?
Well, this is a 1950 Ford, and got brought to us for a couple different concerns. It was leaking coolant and running a little warm, and they just wanted me to check it over, look at it. see
Yeah,
what's
so
going
this thing is original drivetrain still, isn't
on.
it?
Correct, yes. Yeah,
Now they had these with flathead, with 6 cylinders and flathead 8. So which one's this have?
This one's got 6 in it, and so something I thought was fun with the hood is this is your.
Oh yeah, looky
that's your
there.
hood latch. I think it's a neat design Ford came up with because you don't see it and you don't see anything like that anymore.
No,
And it's real cool. Yeah.
looky there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've got the thermostat and everything out of it, and the radiator out, so we can get it reconditioned and cleaned up, and it's
Wow.
really nice. But this thing actually ran really well. Just needed a little bit of love, clean it up a little bit.
So you can have fun coming up with a heater core for it.
Well, we have a shop here in town that fixes those.
So you're actually going to repair the original one.
Yeah, so we'll take it over to them and they'll fix it. Same with that 57, they did the same
Oh,
one now.
okay.
So-
I like the rack on this.
So
It's like a work truck.
So their dad was a plumber.
Oh,
So this is their dad's first business truck, and he outfitted it with the pipe bender and the rack, and they've left it since.
they
So-
left it because this was his dad's work truck.
Yeah. And
Now that I understand.
whoever built that for him at the time actually did a really neat job in building the panels and everything for it. It turned out really cool.
I like that pipe vise.
Yeah. So they said they wanted to leave it like their dad had it, so they left it.
That is cool. And this is a Cadillac again, but it's not the same Cadillac.
it's a
This one's different.
Another black Eldorado.
Yeah,
but
but
not
look at this thing.
not the same.
Is this a 57? What year is
57
it?
also, same year as the last one.
But look at this convertible. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's the 57 Eldorado Barrettes. So it's fully loaded in 57. This was every option you could get.
Yeah, I'll say.
And I looked it up. I think it was what was it? $5,600. Brand new.
Back in that day, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, but that's what it was. Yeah.
That's a lot of money, but boy,
Yes,
you could add a bunch of zeros behind that now. This thing is beautiful, but the challenge I hear, what you explained to me, is the engine. And
Yes.
you said this is a 1 year only engine.
Yeah, the 365 V8 kind of like only had in 57 in the Eldorados, and so yeah, it's only that 1 year, so they're having a hard time finding parts. We had to go through 3 different sets of cylinder heads to find the right head.
Just to get a good head
And
for
that
it.
was good, yeah. And
Right.
then now there's only one company in the United States that makes bearings for it, so we're on national back order waiting for bearings. So other than that, the engine's ready to go, but they can't put it together. So it's getting redone in a machine shop
Wow.
in Las Vegas.
I'd really like to see this one put back together
Yeah,
on the road.
It drove really nice. It just had that rod knock, and so
Oh, that's bad.
yeah. But it drove, yeah, beautifully. So,
Yeah.
And it's all restored original, so it has the original automatic in it, and yeah, it's
Yeah.
really neat. Really
This one really is a restoration.
Yeah.
It's not a resto mod. This
No.
one is a
full
restoration.
restoration. Nice.
I also see that you've been working on your Pontiac.
Yes, so close.
I don't know when you find time to work on it. I really don't.
A couple hours every Saturday. Yeah, I finally got everything in for the transmission cooler. That was kind of tricky. I finally got all the ECMs all wired in.
I see.
I've got to wire in the fuel pump relay and our
Wow.
TCC switch, and then we'll be good to start it. It doesn't have any exhaust yet, but
Well,
it'll
make
start
lots of
running.
noise. So.
Make lots of noise, but it'll run. And,
Yeah. Well, I know we're still fascinated with this project, so.
yeah, it'll be a fun one to have up and going.
No kidding, huh? Hey, looks good. There we go. Okay. This is for a future project. This frame's out of a 57. And it just happened to have a 55 that's in need of a frame and parts, so. Don't read that sign. Look at this jalopy. Chop top, old Model T. He's enjoying this thing. Look at that. I like his eyeballs poking out. This is pretty cool. He's even got his shades on. I thought we were the only ones that were dumb enough to build a train. This was built out of a bus. It's got the lights on it for the Christmas parade. That is just really something.